This is a shot from a drone film I just finished, and this is the exact same clip straight off the drone.
With their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
Afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it just like the sunrise. We gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver
shot from a drone film I just finished, and this is the exact same clip straight off the drone. If you shoot on a DJI Mini 4 Pro or most modern cameras, you're probably seeing the exact flat, washed out look. It's called a log profile, and it's supposed to look bad. It's capturing everything the sensor can see, compressed evenly, waiting for you to decide what it becomes. One node fixes it, not a lot. Leave the project on plain DaVinci YRGB. Color management stays off. That matters in a second. Then one color space transform. Input Rec.709. Gamut DJI D-Log. Output DaVinci wide gamut. That is the whole conversion. Turn color management on as well, and you've done the same conversion twice. The image gets dark, and you spend an hour fighting something you caused. A touch of lift to open the shadows. Hue versus saturation to shape individual colors. Not the whole image at once. And this isn't a one-off. Same node graph, same look, across 8 completely different shots. 5 of those are D-Log M, and 3 of them are HLG. Same process, just a different starting curve. Colors half the job. The other half, sound. Built from nothing on a silent drone. And that's the shot. Same clip. Now it's actually finished. Last step. Delivery settings matched to what you actually shot. No magic button. 8 clips, 2 profiles, 1 look. Grade from what you can see, not from a preset.